In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell Amazon products on Shopify. The goal of this process is to connect your Shopify store with an affiliate tool that lets you promote products from Amazon in a simple way. This can help you earn commissions when customers purchase through your links. In this part of the setup, we will install the app that makes the connection work inside your Shopify admin. First, you will open your Shopify admin dashboard. Look at the left sidebar menu and find the option that says Apps. When you click Apps, it takes you to the section where you can manage installed apps and browse new ones. This is the starting point because Shopify apps are where you add the tools that connect different services to your store. After you select Apps, give the page a moment to load so you can see the search and navigation options clearly. Next, you will search for the specific app. On the Apps page, find the search bar. Type Spreader into the search bar, then press Enter. Take a moment here to make sure you are spelling the name correctly, because a small typo can show different results. Pressing Enter will run the search and display a grid of matching apps. This step matters because it brings you directly to the correct app listing, which is the one you will install next. After the search results appear, you will choose the right listing from the grid. In the results, look for the app that is labeled Spreader App, Amazon Affiliate. This label is important since it indicates the app is designed for Amazon affiliate connections. Click on that listing so the app details open. This lets you confirm you are selecting the correct app before you install it. It is always a good idea to pause for a second and verify the title matches what you searched for. Now that you have opened the correct app listing, you will install it. On the app page, click Install. This action starts the installation process inside your Shopify admin. Depending on your store settings, Shopify may ask you to approve permissions. If you see any prompts, follow the on-screen instructions and confirm that you want to proceed with installation. These prompts exist to make sure the app can perform the tasks it needs to work with your store. After you approve, wait for Shopify to finish installing the app. During the installation, keep an eye on the page so you can see when the process completes. Once the app is installed successfully, Shopify will typically show that it is active or installed, and you may be taken back to your app's dashboard. At this point, the app is ready for the next stage, which is configuring it so your store can display or promote Amazon products through your affiliate setup. That is it for this step of the process. You have navigated to the Apps section, searched for the correct Amazon affiliate app, selected the proper listing, and installed it into your Shopify admin. That covers everything you need to know.